Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 4 power x by 10 equal 8. So what is the value of x? So let's start with today's video solution. So 4 power x by 10 equal 8 by 1. So if I'll do cross multiplication, it becomes 4 power x equal 8 times 10. Now, if I'll take log on both sides, so log 4 power x equal log 8 times 10. Now, as per log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a, and log a times b, we can write it as log a plus log b. So, x log 4 equal log 8 plus log 10. Now, if I'll divide both sides by log 4, this will cancel out. So, x equal log 8, I can write it as 4 times 2 plus log 10. I can write it as 2 times 5 by log 4. I can write it as log 2 square. So, x equal log 4. I can write log 4 plus log 2 plus log 2 plus log 5 by 2 log 2. This log 4 also write it as log 2 square plus log 2 plus log 2 plus log 5 by 2 log 2. So x equal 2 log 2 plus log 2 plus log 2 plus log 5 by 2 log 2. So x equal 2 log 2 by 2 log 2 plus log 2 by 2 log 2 plus log 2 by 2 log 2 plus log 5 by 2 log 2. This will cancel out. So x equal 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. This we can write it as log 5 with base 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus, if I'll take 1 by 2 as common, 1 plus log 5 with base 2. So this is the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.